So today we'll be cooking this simple salmon supper with rosemary potatoes and green beans. A great recipe that the whole family can enjoy together, that is quite quick to prepare, 30 to 40 minutes maximum. And at the end of this video I'll share with you a couple of tips on how to make sure that even the fussiest eaters will enjoy this recipe. But for now, let's start cooking. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Celsius with the fan. Then roughly chop the rosemary. Rinse the potatoes and chop them, you can keep the skins on, and chop them into small cubes. Add them to a large baking tray with the rosemary, a drizzle of vegetable oil and a generous pinch of salt. Toss until the potatoes are fully coated, and then roast in the oven for 30 minutes or until golden and crisp. Meanwhile, chop the chives as finely as possible. Slice the lemon into wedges. Add the sour cream, chopped chives and the juice from half of the lemon to a bowl. Season with salt and pepper and give everything a good mix. Set aside. Portion the salmon. Slice each salmon portion into butterflies. Use a sharp knife and make a deep incision along each salmon piece. The incision should reach the skin of the salmon without slicing through it. Finally turn the salmon pieces out as though opening a book. Heat the pan over a medium heat with the oil and butter. Add the salmon and cook for 3 minutes on either side until cooked through. Wash and trim the green beans. Cook the green beans in a pot of salted boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes or until tender. Drain once cooked. Serve the salmon over the rosemary potatoes with the sour cream sauce and the green beans to the side. Garnish with the remaining lemon wedges. So now for the tips. 1. The herbs. Not everybody likes the herbs, so you can easily just chop them, keep them on the side and then add them to your portion. And number 2 is the smell of fish in the house. So the first tip here is to just switch on the exhaust fan full speed while you're cooking your fish. That should absorb all the smells. But if that's really a no-go in your house, then switch on your oven to 200 degrees and bake the fish to about 15 to 20 minutes until cooked to your liking. I can't wait to dig into this fabulous, family-friendly, easy recipe. If you like recipes like this in general, you'll find some more here, but for now I'm just gonna dig in.